Hello, parents. This is Mrs.Jerome-Severe coming with another video. This video is nonsense words, where the children are going to get to reading nonsense words. Allô, parents, yo, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une vidéo côté ti moun yo pral pratiquer li mots qui sa nou rele nonsense word. So the purpose of this video is to help struggle students have practice reading some nonsense words. In order for your child to do this activity, he or she needs to know their letter sounds. I will attach the sounds if needed for review. I did a previous video about sounds of the alphabets, sounds of all the letters and the way the mouth should be looking. So I will attach the link to this one at the end so you get to review it, because that's the only way they're going to be able to do the nonsense words. So nonsense words are words made up. They are made up words that followed by phonemic rules and can be pronounced yet have no dictionary definition or meaning. They could be referred as silly words or non-words, but I know them as nonsense words, a word that makes no sense. So the benefit of reading nonsense words helps students to focus on individual sounds within the word. So they're going to hear every sound. So they're going to stress on the sound, and they're going to, so they could hear it. Okay, by practicing identifying and manipulating sounds in nonsense words, students can also develop phonemic awareness skills, which is great later on, will help them become better readers. And it's helped them with decoding, because later on when they become when they become readers, they're going to need to know how to decode. So the nonsense word will help them have an understanding what decoding is. And then with nonsense word, they don't need prior knowledge. They don't need prior knowledge. They don't need to depend on real words. They just practice, and then they become more confident reading later on. As a matter of fact, research has shown that if children are able to read nonsense word, they are better. They become better at reading real word, because nonsense words are much more challenging to read than real words. Allô, parmi c'est mes Jérôme. So, mo sa, sa ki sak nonsense word. Nonsense word c'est mo ki san, yo pa gen kom si ki jam da ka di. Mo sa yo fe kom si yo pa gen reg, yo pa gen suiv, yo pa fe sens. Bon, men ki jam da ka di, yo pa fe sens. Ou ka prononse yo, ti moun na pral fè pratik, kote l pral prononse son li tande yo, e bi kon sa li ka li mo yo, l mette yo ansam, li mo yo. Mo sa yo tou, yo pa gen definisyon. Mem swa chache nan diksyon ou pa bjweni, yo pa gen signifikasyon. So mo sa yo refere yo kom si mo ki komik, ou swa mo ki pa vre. Et pas un vrai mot lié. OK? So même si on cherche li ou pas joindre dans dictionnaire. OK? Qui bénéfice les timon yo li mot, ça nous dit mot qui pas fait sens. Mot qui pas inutile. Qui ça yo bénéficier? Bon, yo dit comme ça, les timon yo fait ti pratique là, yon li aide yo fait son. Parce qu'on est pour li, c'est pour qu'on fait son. So, nonsense word yo gan pil son pou ti moun yo fè an pil pratik, epi kounya la, yo vin kon ki jan pou yo fè son yo, epi yo met son yo ansam, yo vin fon mot. Epi yo di tou, le ti moun na fè pratik mot sa yo, li ede yo an pil nan klas pou demè, pou yo ka kon ki jan pou yo li. Ti moun yo pa vraiment bezwen, comme si pour yo kon li, ou soit faut yo kon en pile mot pour yo faire mot sa yo. C'est pratique, et puis qu'on y a la, yo vin faire pratique là en pile, qu'on y a la, yo vin gen confidence qui chan pour yo li, puis bien devant. Actuellement, recherche, moun qui fait recherche, yo dit comme ça, que ti moun qui ka li mot difficile sa yo, mot qui pa gen sens yo, ti moun sa yo gen plus chance pour yo vin pour yo kon li très bien et puis pour yo li mot qui difficile parce que mot sa yo n'a pas ti moun yo pral apprendre li an, c'est pas mot qui facile. So et puis yo pratique yo puis devant y a vin kon li pi bien. Okay, annually. Boys and girls, today we're going to be doing nonsense words. So we're going to go over the rules, what we're going to do with nonsense word. Nonsense word, your teacher does it in the classroom. So nonsense words are words that makes no sense. They're not real words. They're not real words. So here's the rule for playing this game. Number one, you're going to, rules to read the nonsense word. One, you're going to point to each letter. You're going to take your finger, you're going to point to each letter. As you point to each letter, you're going to make each sound. Then after you make all the sound, then you're going to put the sounds together and read the word smoothly, very smoothly. Okay, I'll do the first one with you guys so you have an idea what to do. Parent, ti moun yo, rule number one, ti moun yo dwe mette doit yo sou chak let. Et puis deuxièmement, yo fait chaque son yo. Et puis troisièmement, yo mette tout son yo ensemble pour yo li mot très, comme si yo li mot, comme si c'est li appelé. So, m'pral fè premier parti yon pou yo. So, aide yo, make sure nou gade video ave yo. All right. So, let's go, guys. Let's go see what these words are. So, you see, let's point to the first one. The first one is p, p. And the next one is a. The next one is g. P, a, g. A, g. Put it together. Let's read the word pag. Read the word pag. Very good. Let's do the second one. Put your finger on the dot. Here you go. R. Move your finger. E. T. R. E. T. Put it together. Ret. Put it together. Ret. Let's do the next one. Here we go. Put your finger. B. E. X. B. E. X. Bix. Bix. Here's the next one. R. E. Z. R. E. Z. Riz. Okay, don't forget, put your finger so you could tap each circle, each sound. Okay, first one, f, a, d, f, a, d, fud. Here's the next one, y, I, p, y, I, p. Read the word. Yeep. Very good. Here's the next one. W, X. W, X. Read the word wax. Read the word wax. Point. Ch. A. J. Read the word jam. Read the word jam. B. Hab. Read the word hab. Very good. Here we go. Let's tap. B. A. B. B. A. B. Read the word bab. Read the word bab. Here we go. Use your finger. W. E. G. W. E. G. Read the word wag. Read the word wag. Put your finger. D. A. D. A. Dop. Dop. Very good. Read the word dop. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, everybody. Remember, the more your child practice, the better they become at reading these words. Don't forget, pa bliye, plus tan ti moun yo fe yap gade video an, se plus yo vin habitue avek mou yo. Pa bliye pou subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I love to read your comments. Please leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful to your child. Fem konen si video an bo, ban mon ti pouce monte, fe ti komante, pase mwen men li komante yo. Share with other parents at your church, your friends and family member. Partaje video avek lot fami ki bezwen tou. So pa ka fe selfish, kote se pou pitit pou seulement konen, fe pou lot yo tou kon sa pou pitit yo ka avanse vers l'avant. Et mais c'était Mrs.Jerome-Severe. À bientôt. All right, that's all I have for you guys. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you until next time. Bye.